Welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today, we're going to be talking about the Google Pixel foldable phone. Also, we're going to be doing a giveaway on an awesome portable mini wireless microphone. This microphone is great for blogging, recording YouTube videos, and so on. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to be eligible for the giveaway. There will be more details in the description below. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like the video. Now, here goes the best part of the show, and that's a good old joke. And the joke is, what do you call a running turkey? Come on now, you guys know this. You call it fast food. The Google Pixel Foldable was something a lot of people were talking about, including myself. And a lot of us thought Google's foldable phone would launch alongside with the Pixel 6 series. Obviously, that didn't happen. I must admit, I was a little disappointed because I was expecting Google to surprise everyone with their vision of the foldable phone. But since then, everything went quiet until now. There's information starting to appear way back from August. A code was discovered in the Android 12 beta that could mention several code names from upcoming Google phones. These codes reference a Pixel 6 series and another unknown device called Passport. People are alluding that this could be Google's upcoming foldable phone because of the inward fold like a passport, which in turn does make sense. This code also references that Google's Tensor chip will be in processing power. That's a no-brainer in my opinion. Also, don't forget that rumors were out there that Google's phone would have the same cameras as a Pixel 6. Now, I know some of you guys are like, oh, that sounds great. But no. Here goes the bad news. According to 9 to 5 Google, the cameras inside the Pixel phone will not be the same as a Pixel 6 series phones. In fact, it's reported the cameras on the Pixel phone will be the same as a Pixel 3. That's unfortunate if it comes out to be true. Now, the new cameras on the Fold is being referred as a Pixel Fold 5G. The specs on the camera will most likely be 12.2 megapixel wide angle, 12 megapixel ultra wide. There will also be 2 selfie cameras, one on the inside of the display and the other on the outside. And it's speculated they both will be 8 megapixel. I know that's a little disappointing because all we want is the latest cameras on a premium device because they are charging a premium price tag. Now, moving forward, Google has been granted a patent from the U.S. Patent Office for a multi-axis soft hinge mechanism, which describes a hinge system to create a minimal seam when the device is folded. It also describes an inward folding screen which could possibly or most likely be on a Pixel Fold 5G. The screen size has been leaked from a reliable source, Ross Young, saying the main display will be 7.57 inch and it will be 120 Hz and LTPO. And as far as a cover display, the size is unknown, but it could be anywhere between 6.2 to 6.5, and it may have 120 Hz with an AMOLED display size. There's a lot of rumors that there will be an in-display selfie camera, which is a terrible idea. The biggest question everyone is wondering is, when will the Pixel Fold 5G be coming out? Well, it's rumored that it could be coming out alongside with Android 12L for large devices in early 2022. And the question for today is, are you disappointed that the Pixel Fold 5G will have the Pixel 3 cameras and not Pixel 6 cameras? Let me know in the comments below. Me personally, I prefer the latest cameras, especially if the price tag is going to be $1,500 or more, but that's just me. You guys let me know in the comments below. And also, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button And don't forget to like the video as well. And also, guys, don't forget that we are doing a giveaway. So check out all the information in the description below. Until next time, guys, I'll see you guys later.